Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export a list of all S3 buckets to a CSV file using PowerShell. This command is really a great way to understand what S3 buckets are in your environment and allows you to audit from there. Heads up, you will need to install and configure AWS PowerShell tools for this to work. So I'll link to a video of how to do that below. All right, let's walk through it. To start, I've already opened up a PowerShell window, but you could do so by hitting the Windows button, typing PowerShell, and then clicking this Windows PowerShell ISE. From there, I've already put in these commands, but we're going to start with this basic get S3 bucket, and that'll list all the S3 buckets in your environment. So that's the basic command that this is working off of. So to export it to a CSV, you'll specify a path name by specifying the Windows file location, and it should end with something like s3buckets.csv or whatever you want to name your CSV file. And then this command is the get S3 bucket and export to the path name. And then this Invoke-Item will actually open up the file for us. So I'm going to run these quickly here. And as you can see, it was very fast. It created an S3 CSV file, and it listed all the bucket names and the create date and exported them to a CSV. So that's it for this video. If it solved your problem, please let me know by commenting and liking this video. If you want more AWS or IT audit videos, please subscribe. Thanks all. Happy auditing.